How to fix a paper jam on your HP Envy Photo 7975 printer. There's multiple places where you can look out for the stuck paper, so let me show you all of them. First of all, when this is happening, there's a lot of chances that the paper that got fed inside of the printer got stuck inside right over there where the rollers are. So I always suggest you take out, so what I suggest is you pull it out and then you flip this printer simply on its back to have a look. Okay, so by doing this, this is where most of the paper gets stuck. These rollers are taking the paper inside of the printer, and if it comes crooked, unfortunately, it will get stuck. So if you see anything abnormal with your hand, simply extract it, or with a pair of tweezers. If everything looks fine to you over here, let's go to the second place where paper can get stuck. So the other place is where the ink cartridges are located. The first step is to lower this front panel, stick your fingers over here and push this panel up. If we take a closer look inside, there's a good chance that the paper is stuck over here. If the cartridge's carriage is not able to move freely left and right and get stuck on a debris or a piece of paper, well, it will give you that message, that error message that you have a paper jam. So go ahead and extract anything that may block this carriage to move freely. Second, you see there's this blue, I don't know how you call handle, whatever. Well, this is made exactly in case if you have a paper jam. This is the paper jam icon, and it tells you how you can extract the paper. So the first thing, as they said, is to pull up, okay, because this blue thing comes with the panel. Pull up the whole thing and inspect it. If nothing is wrong, take a look inside. And there's a good chance that the paper will appear here and you'll be able to take it out the same way it tells you here. At the end, don't forget to put back the panel by pushing it in this position and then clipping it. I hope my video was helpful. Usually, once you have removed the paper, I always suggest you disconnect the printer from the power source. So simply pull this plug, even if it's turned on. Wait 1 minute and plug it back. The error will disappear by itself once the printer has been powered on. Leave a like, comment down below if this worked for you, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.